Working with Zimmerman's as far as service, parts, repairs, etc. has been a very pleasant experience. They basically get us everything we need when we need it, no waiting.
Zim-Mixer seems more simple as far as a driver understanding what does what. You know, where on the belt machines, they seem like there's more electronics, and everything's so compacted in them.
Out at the World of Concrete a couple times, took a look at the other mixers, and you know, the biggest feature I always go back to is the chain drive with the material feed. When we calibrate, you know, the trucks to make sure they're putting out what they're supposed to be putting out, you know, it is, you know, to change things around is really a 5-minute job, and it's the simplicity of the machine.
Zimmerman Industries has really helped us grow our business. Not only do they sell you the mixer, but they're there to support your every need.
By using the Zim-Mixers, we can change our mix designs on the job readily. We use a lot of color in our concrete on our decks for our swimming pools. We can do color at one job and go right to the next job and go with a higher early cement and change mixes immediately without having to go back to the plant. Having the Zim-Mixer makes a very important part of our business doing that.
Benefit to that and to having the volumetric trucks is we can haul 10 yards, but we can do multiple stops within that truck. And we don't have to worry about the time frame of when they've left the plant, because everything is mixed right there on site. So they can hit 2 jobs, they can actually hit 4 or 5 jobs where they have to travel a longer distance between the jobs. So that we can start and stop mixing as we need, wash out, and then get to the next job without worrying about anything setting on the truck.
As far as a belt machine and a chain drive machine, on a belt machine, obviously you have your wear on the side guides to the point where you have to make a lot of adjustments throughout, you know, your seasons, and they do leave a little bit of debris on the ground. If you don't, because the debris goes under, you know, your sand and stone will work out underneath the guide and leave a mess underneath the truck, versus the Zim-Mix machine with the chain drive and the pans on the bottom. It keeps that mess from happening. In almost 20 years of running the machines, I've never busted a chain. Not once.
We have the volumetric mixers, and the benefits that we see with the volumetric mixers versus the barrel trucks is that we are mixed on the job site. We are able to start and stop as they need. So if they assume that they need a couple yards, maybe it'll go over that, and we have the ability to continue to mix. You know, we don't have a certain amount on the truck and that's it. Or if they feel they need, you know, a larger quantity and they don't end up using it, we're able to stop mixing, and we're able to only charge them for what they use. So,
You know, do we feel part of the team with Zimmerman Industries? Of course. You know, I know everybody down at Zimmerman. I almost feel like family.
You know, before the purchase, during the purchase, after the purchase, if there's any issues with the machine, you know, you guys all always come back and fix us up. Any questions, bring it into the service department.
the one great thing that we find is they're always a phone call away. The nice thing is, basically when we call, whether we need to talk to service or Jerry or anybody else in the office, they drop everything and focus on our phone call and make sure that whatever questions we have, they answer. They take time to explain things to us.
We chose Zimmerman Mixers because they've been around for 30-some plus years, and a lot of the other mixers that try to do a takeoff have been here and gone, and they're out of here. And Zimmerman's very dependable and courteous, and parts department, like I said, everything is great.